Hi, my dear. Today we are going to make Sichuan hot and sour fish soup, a dish that opens your taste buds in the summer. My ingredient is an easier version over many of the recipes out there on the internet. The main ingredients of today are tilapia fillet and pickled sour mustard. Let's thin slice the tilapia. The trick you could play here is to thin slice the first one, but don't cut through. And you cut through on the second slice. This way, you got a butterfly shape that tastes very well and looks so beautiful. Keep slashing. I used 2 fillet, and you could use 3 if you love fish. Cooking is definitely art, not science. You don't have to measure too accurately. As long as you love the taste you produce, that matters. Add a little bit tortilla. Rub it so the tortilla can soak into the fish meat. And you're gonna let it sit for a while we prepare for the vegetables. Now slice the garlic, ginger, and cut the dried red chili into small chunks as well. Now for the mustard, the pickle, you slice the root portion because it's so thick, and then you cut. To small stripes. Put it aside. Now the fish is soaked long enough, and you just wash off tortilla or cooking wine, whatever you added there. It will remove the fishy smell. Drain it. Add salt. Black pepper, grind a little bit. Add an egg white. You could use the full egg if you want to, but I prefer just use the white only. And this is the trick. You stir towards the same direction, so don't stir in both directions. One direction clockwise is good until the liquid is fully absorbed by the fish meat. Add a little bit cornstarch. Keep stirring in the same direction. Fry the pickle without any oil first. The pickled mustard. It will make it taste so crispy without any, without making it too soggy. That's what I want. And then take it out. In the heated pan, add oil and put the garlic, ginger, and the dried chili in there. Fry until you can smell the very tasty smell coming out. And add the pickled mustard. Keep frying, stir frying. Add water, about to 1.5 cup or 2 cups, depends on how much soup you want to drink. Add chicken base. Salt. Grind some black pepper again. And let the soup boil. Add a little bit apple cider vinegar. Once it's boiled, take out the vegetables and add the fish slice into the soup. The trick here is let it sit and put the heat onto low level. Let it sit for about 1 to 2 minutes. Then you turn the heat on to the high level and bring it to boiling. This way, the fish slice is going to stay and settled instead of separate into mashed fish. It took me multiple times to finally learn this trick. And then add a little bit scallion, parsley for color and taste, and the chili powder. The last step is drip some hot oil on top of it. And the hot oil, when you prepare, you drop a few Sichuan pepper in it for the numbness taste. Now here's our delicious soup that is so good for you to eat in the summer. Healthy, delicious, full of protein and fibers. Enjoy! Thanks for watching and see you next time.